Assalamualaikum and hi to all. My name is Amir Ifan Muhammad Sahari. Today I want to present about inflation for subject macroeconomy. So first thing I want to introduce my group member. So my name is Amir Ifan Muhammad Sahari, and then my group member Muhammad Faris Zainiah bin Muhammad Fazli. And then next Muhammad Yusuran bin Abu Bakar. My last member Muhammad Farid Danish bin Khairul Nizam. Okay, so today I will start with introduction for inflation. So inflation is a continuous increase in the price of goods and service. When inflation occurs, the value of money will fall, meaning our purchasing power will decrease. For example, if RM 5 ringgit used to buy a chicken rice, now 5 ringgit not enough to buy chicken rice. So inflation actually affect everyone, such as consumer, trader and government.
So I want to explain to the type of inflation. First, demand pull inflation, which the inflation that of course we are demand increase the surplus. So for example, when people have more money and start to buy a lot, but they are not enough good, but also resist. Second is the cost push inflation, which are over cost where production cost increase. For example, with the price for all and the workers' wages. When cost increase, then cut to increase, then price for production. Sometimes there is also improve inflation when improved goods become expensive due to the value of the current value.
Moreover, the effect of inflation. Now we look at the effect of inflation. First of all, consumer purchase power will decrease. Goods are expensive, but salaries are the same. So the people feel burdened. So second, for business, inflation can increase production cost. This can reduce profit. From the perspective of the national economy, inflation due to high can cause instability. Investors are afraid to invest, and the value of the currency can also fall. But control inflation can be a sign of an active economy.
Firstly, how to control the inflation and imposing how do we do inflation? First, drop monetary policy. For example, negara can raise interest rate to reduce spending. Second, the government can use fiscal policy, such as reducing spending or realizing tax to control the demand. In conclusion, inflation is not something that needs to be completely eliminated. It's normal in the economy, but it must be controlled so that it's not burden to the people.
That's all from me and all my friends. So I hope Madam accepting my video presentation and my group. So that's all. Thank you.